A parliamentary panel has called for plugging loopholes that have enabled junior level officials to remain in crucial posts in economic and sensitive ministries for many years, even as respective heads have been changed several times, cautioning that such long stays at particular seat breeds corruption. It also points out that some have maneuvered their posts that their whole career has been in the finance ministry, a parliamentary panel noted in its report. Observations were made by Parliamentary Standing Committee in Personal Public Grievances, Law and Justice, chaired by BJP MP Brij Lal in its report on Department of Personnel and Training, describing Central Secretariat Services and Central Secretariat Stenographer Services as mainstay of Central Secretariat working. Panel says that Guested officers are rotated and replaced after tenure of 3 years from sensitive places. Rotational policy is not being implemented in toto, and there are officers who are on potentially favorable ministries or places for over 8 to 9 years, especially in economic and sensitive ministries, and are continuing their stay despite head of organizations being replaced 4 5 times. Committee feels that this trend should be assessed. Longer stays at particular seats or places breeds corruption and remedial measures need to be taken immediately and all transfers should be made immediately as per policy and no officer should stay beyond prescribed time limit in the ministry. Panel also cited specific case of the finance ministry. Committee wishes to point out that Ministry of Finance has three departments which have been categorized as economic and non-economic. Instances have come to notice of committee where officers have maneuvered their postings in such a way that their whole career has been in the same ministry and hence such lacuna needs to be plugged without any delay. Talking about IAS officers, the panel noted shortage of 1,316 IAS officers and suggested that DOPT should set up a penalty system withholding consideration for promotion quotas from the states, one of the major reasons for shortage of IAS officers. The early implementation of Chandramouli Committee's report regarding intake of direct recruit IAS officers was also suggested by parliamentary panel. Taking note of 91 IAS officers not filing immovable property returns, panel suggested that centralized compliance monitoring mechanism may be established to ensure timely filing of returns by all IAS officers.